Hey my beautiful family, so wondering how we transform this face to this particular one, then stay tuned. This is actually not a long video, this is just a beautiful way. Look at how neat and pretty it is. So I just thought of sharing the small clips with you guys. So she came here for a frontal installation and makeup as well. She's going for a dinner. This is a friend of mine who has been with me for 5 to 6 years in this business, and this is to tell you that if you always deliver what your customers want, they'll keep coming back to you. And for 5 to 6 years now, this has been her plug for makeup and wig installation. If in case you don't know, I teach people how to do makeup, wig making. Oh, before I continue, she opted for a red lip stain, and I don't know what exactly it is about red lip stain, because most people going for dinner always wants red lip stain. Anyway, that's just by the way, because it actually came out well. And yes, I always deliver what my customers want. So in case you don't know, we train people in wig making, wig installation, wig styling, and of course at this point the wig was not styled, but you guys should wait and see how this wig actually came out when I finished styling and the makeup. Everything was so pretty. And of course, this is supposed to be a simple but outstanding makeup. Like, it should be popping. Look at my girl, bougie girl there, right? She's actually looking so pretty. And yes, of course, this is how she came in, and this is how she's leaving. Pick our number on the screen if you want us to do your bridal makeup, you want us to install your wig, anything at all, you want to come in for class. Pick the number on the screen and message us. Thank you all, and don't forget to comment, share, and like this video. Look at how pretty she's looking. And of course, my customers, don't forget to send me pictures. She took some pictures, and enjoy the view of this. Isn't this pretty? Thank you all. Until I come your screen again, it's bye.